And when it comes to your isolation exercises, because this might be a term that you've heard as well, isolation exercises are ones that isolate one large major muscle group and really just make the limiting factor that muscle group specifically, with minimal assistance from other muscle groups. So really we could boil this down to exercises where the movement of the lift or the execution of the lift really relies on movement at just one major joint. So things like a bicep curl, yes, there might be a small angle change at the shoulder, but really the vast majority of movement specifically and quite strictly is occurring at the elbow, and it's being produced by your biceps. By far, your biceps would be the limiting factor. There's very minimal assistance from other muscle groups, although we can never say that there's zero assistance from other muscle groups because that would never technically be true. It's very minimal assistance, and it really just specifically targets the one muscle group and movement at one joint. As opposed to, on the other hand, we've got compound lifts, which really rely heavily on multiple large muscle groups producing the force in order to execute the lift at once. So that is essentially the difference between your isolation exercises and your compound exercises.